This is a really valuable opportunity for people to come together, the residential community around Tysons Corner or who live in Tysons, the commercial retail community to come together with the landowners and with the developers and with our county staff, both in planning and in transportation, to find out what the plans are, to take a look at maps and to take a look at plans to actually directly engage with and ask questions of people who actually are constructing the redevelopment in Tysons. This is the third open house that we've had to take a look at the Tysons plan to give people an opportunity to come out. And it's the third, it will not be the last. There will be lots of other opportunities for the folks to be able to weigh in and learn what's going on. One of my philosophies is that an engaged and well-informed community is a well-served community. And that's what opportunities like this provide for our community.